Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are at the Thackray Museum of Medicine in Leeds for an extraordinary exhibition that bridges the worlds of art, science, and history. Join us as we explore the Fragile Microbiomes exhibition, featuring the stunning and thought-provoking plague dress by artist Anna Dumitriu. Let's go inside and discover the intriguing blend of past and present through this unique art installation. At the heart of this exhibition is the plague dress, an evocative piece made from raw silk, designed by the innovative artist Anna Dumitriu. This dress isn't just a piece of clothing, it's a storytelling medium that takes us back to 1665, the year of the Great Plague. Dumitriu's creation is dyed with walnut husks, a nod to the herbalist Nicholas Culpeper, who recommended walnuts as a treatment for plague. The dress is also stuffed with lavender, historically used to mask the smell of plague victims. It's a vivid reminder of the ways our ancestors fought to survive in the face of deadly diseases. Hosting an exhibition from Anna Dumitriu is truly exciting for us. Her work beautifully connects the past, present, and future of medicine and microbiology. It's this blend of traditional techniques and cutting-edge science that makes her art so compelling, a perfect fit for our museum. But the plague dress is just one part of this fascinating exhibition. Dumitriu's work delves deep into the microbial world, using a combination of bacteria and textiles to create art that challenges and enlightens. Each piece tells its own story, inviting us to contemplate the fragile relationship we share with the world of microbes. It's a reminder of how intertwined our lives are with these unseen organisms. The Thackray Museum of Medicine, housed in a former workhouse and part of Leeds St. James's Hospital since 1997, provides the perfect backdrop for this exploration of medical history and innovation. The Fragile Microbiomes exhibition runs until June 23rd, offering a unique opportunity to engage with history, science, and art in a new and exciting way. If you're fascinated by the intersection of art and science or just curious about the ways in which our ancestors dealt with disease, this exhibition is a must-see. That's all from us today at the Thackray Museum of Medicine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into history and science. Until next time, stay curious,